Mrs. Johnson?
Donovan?
Come on, Mrs. Johnson. Why the surprise? You know I've always wanted to celebrate your nuptials.
Do you know this, Vicar?
I have visited her parish many times. True, I have not yet seen the inside of her cathedral, but she has a very accommodating rector.
I beg your pardon?
And God created woman, and he said it was good. But I say it's better than good. It is a bounteous piece of super creation, designed for prolonged physical exploration. I deal with the head of my handboard satellite navigation.
Reverend, get on with the service.
Hey, my church, my rules.
Donovan?
Call me your holiness, and I will grant you a private hearty hence you'll never forget. Come, receive me blessings, kiss me ring, and if you stay on your knees long enough, I'll give you a ride on my Pope Mobile.
What the hell is going on here?
Shouldn't the real question be, what the hell is going on there?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey!